In this professional tutorial, we are going to make a quick logo. If you have not used Adobe Illustrator in your entire life, then this video is for you, and I'm going to show you how you are going to make your first logo within 2 minutes. Let's get started. I have my Adobe Illustrator, and we are going to make one logo concept which is about tiling, and how quickly we are going to make that one I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, now on the top you have like menu bar. If you have not used Adobe Illustrator, then you may better to know that all program have like menu bar, and on the left we have like toolbar, and on the right we have properties, and that three options are very important to know. And after that we have like here a rectangle tool. I'm going to click on rectangle tool, and I will just hold down my shift, and then I will click and drag, and you will see that I have right now a rectangle, and I can just change the color from the appearance. If you don't have like properties here, then you should come in Windows and you should check the properties, and you will get the property dialog. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will just copy Control C and Control Shift V, and we are going to click and drag, and you can see that we have now one more box. And again I'm going to Control C and Control Shift V, and I have also copied once again, and you can see now we have like Windows 10 logo. But don't worry, we are going to change that one. I'm going to just click and drag by my that selection tool, and we are going to rotate that option. Now what I'm going to do, we are going to select and change the color of that each box, and we are going to make it more like classic. And here I have all four like option. Now what else I'm going to do, I will just select my text tool. Here is my text tool. Okay, I will write tiling logo. Okay, either you can just also make type and uppercase that one, and tiling logo, and I'm going to change its color to blue. Therefore I'm going to take the eyedropper, and we are going to select the color maybe. And how about if we are going to change, it is a bold, and I'm using right now which is a Mediate Pro font. Okay, and we can just I have selected bold italic, and okay, let me select bold italic. I don't know why it is going like the sizes just changing, and here is bold italic, my logo. Okay, now here we have like completely designed our basic logo concept, and that is how you are going to quickly design your logo in any case, and you are going to quickly like design your logo. Now I'm also going to add like shade in these logo. What I'm going to do, I will select all these like logo, and here we have eraser. You are going to press and hold your click, then you will get all these options, and I'm going to click knife. Now I have to just select like these. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I will select by like direct selection tool. I'll select the one which I have just cut it down, and now I'm going to copy all these options, and now again I will undo by pressing Ctrl Z. You will see that we have just make the state which we have already designed that one. Now what I'm going to do, I will just Control Shift and V, and you can see that now I have that part again in my logo. And I'm also going to like okay, we are going to do one more thing. We are going to select in Pathfinder that unite, and you can see now we have one color, but I'm making like a shine. Therefore we are going to click on fill and gradient. I'm going to select gradient, and in gradient I'm going to select my tool in gradient, and then we are going to click like this one. Okay, now what else I'm going to do, we are going to come in Windows, and we have gradient, and we have gradient option. Since I'm going to make transparent that white background or white color, therefore we are going to change the opacity to 0, and now you can see a little bit like this option. And let me just make that like, if I'm going to change that to white, and also change the opacity to 50 or 40%, and you can now see a very nice white color. If I'm going to a little bit change that one, now we have like our logo, and that logo is like tiling stone, and we also change the color of that tiling stone as well, maybe in 2 or 3 color, but I think this is the basic formation where you have to you will like get how you are going to make your basic logo in Adobe Illustrator quickly. If you like that video, thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe, because we are going to make more amazing logo design in this after that word. If you have any problem, just write that in comment box below. Okay everyone, just give me permission to say goodbye.